We're starting with PowerPoint now, and these are the PowerPoint Essential Notes. If you remember from Microsoft Word, you have what are known as key tips, and key tips appear when you press the Alt key on your keyboard, and they're just little badges that come up. You see the letters that are up there, F, H, N, and then some numbers. If you press one of those letters, for example, if I press the letter H when they're up there, then it will open up my new slides for me. If I was to press the letter K, it would bring up my font size. So the letters just open up. Instead of you using your mouse to click on them, they'll appear. Backstage view is still when you go to File and click on your File tab, it opens up your Backstage view where you'll have info. You can open up a new PowerPoint, save. You can check your options, send, things like that. Then you in your Backstage view, you have Open. These are some of your Open features. You'll notice over to the right it shows you recently opened presentations. You can click on Computer. You can do Recent. You have Add to a Place. You can do your SkyDrive, or now that's called OneDrive. That's what Microsoft uses. It's sort of like Google Drive, except for you'll just that's just Microsoft's place to save things. When you look at your you still have tabs and ribbons here. You have Home. Today we're going to talk about the View ribbon. In the View ribbon, this is where you'll see your different views that you have for PowerPoint. You can see you have your group presentation views, and those are your regular views, and then you have your master views. The master views, whatever you do in master view is applied to all of the slides that are that type. So if I go to handouts, and it's going to, whatever I do in handout master is going to be applied to all my handouts. Same thing with slide master. I can choose different slides. Whatever I do, that type of slide is applied to all of them. One of the main views is normal view. This is the view that we work in, and this is what normal view looks like. Over to the left, this is known as your task pane or navigation pane, and that shows you your different slides that appear. To the right, you have placeholders. You have your title placeholder, or you have also your subtitle placeholder. The box that's actually around them is which is here, is known as the placeholder. This is slide sorter view. In slide sorter view, you can see all of your slides at one time. You can move them around by clicking and dragging them. This allows you to see how many slides you have. You can see that they each have a number on them, and also what order they are in. This is your notes page view. If we go back to your slide normal view, down at the bottom normally has a place that says Add Notes, where you can type in notes. So if you go to notes page view, you can see what notes you've typed. You can also type your notes in a notes page view, either way. Then you have slideshow. Slideshow is what you do when you have your actual presentation, when you show that to your class or to a job or something like that. This gives you where you see just your each slide that you can discuss. Sorry about that. Reading view. Now reading view looks similar to slideshow, except for reading view you can still see some things down at the bottom. You can still see your different views where you can get out of it. Reading view is just making it easier and give you an idea of what it looks like before it goes to presentation. It shows up on the screen so you can read it a little easier. Again, it is not the same. You can still click on the X to close out that's up here. You can change to a different view. This is outline view. If you go to outline view, over in your task pane, your navigation pane, it shows you your different slides. Outline view does not show any graphics or pictures. So the only thing you see in outline view is your text. You can see the little white things in here. They let you know the slide, and then it gives you the information that's on the slide.